Review for Holy Stone 720R drone. Unleash your adventurous spirit with the Holy Stone 720R drone. Designed for thrill seekers, it offers an unbeatable flight experience. The Holy Stone HS720R drone is considered to be a high-quality and feature-rich option catering to both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. Here's a breakdown of its key aspects based on various reviews. The HS720R showcases a foldable design that focuses on portability and convenience, making it easy to transport. Its compact and lightweight frame allows for capturing aerial footage on the go. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera, the drone is capable of capturing high-resolution photos and stunning footage. The wide-angle lens and a 70 degrees adjustable camera angle provide flexibility in capturing various perspectives. The drone excels in flight performance and stability, thanks to its integrated GPS system, which offers precise positioning and navigation capabilities. It also features a brushless motor enhancing flight performance while reducing noise and extending the drone's lifespan. The HS720R comes with several intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Orbit, and Waypoint mode, enabling creative flight experiences. Its GPS-assisted flight features, including Return to Home, RTH, and Follow Me mode, add to its performance and functionality. The drone also offers an impressive range of up to 10,000 feet, ensuring a strong signal strength between the controller and the drone, minimizing the risk of signal loss or interference. The drone comes with a user-friendly controller and a companion app that enhance the overall flying experience. The app allows for live video streaming, adjusting camera settings, and controlling the drone using virtual joysticks, making it easy for beginners to navigate and access various functionalities. The Holy Stone HS720R has a rating of 4.1 out of 5 based on 102 user ratings on Extreme Flyers, which suggests that it is well received by a majority of users. It's praised for its great features at an affordable price point, especially its GPS-enabled autonomous flights and HD camera.